Good morning, يا جماعة. We are trying to make a class about alcohols. Some of the students, some of you attend this class, others did not. So we are trying to make up this class. We are going to discuss alcohols. But I'm talking about organic chemistry, about the third homologous series, the third family, which is alcohols. Can you remember what is this? This is ethane. Who can convert ethane into ethene? How can you convert? We are going to remove two hydrogen atoms. So it's CH2, CH2. Putting a double bond instead of these two hydrogen atoms. Also, I can convert ethane into ethanol. How? By removing H. So it's CH3, CH2. Then replace it with OH. So this is ethanol. But the difference between the general formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, alcohols CnH2n plus 1. We removed an H atom, and we put OH instead of it. This OH is called hydroxyl or the functional group. So this family is called alkanols. Alkanol. Okay, please pay attention to what we are saying. This is the structural formula. What about the display, the drawing of the molecule? So this is ethane. Type. How can you convert it into ethanol? By removing, I removed a hydrogen atom, placing OH instead of it. So this is ethanol. So I'm going to do the same thing on the rest of the family. Who can tell me, who is this? I'm going to count the carbons. There are 3 carbons. So this is propanol, the third member of the homologous series. Type. What about the alcohol number 6? Hexanol. What is the molecular formula of hexanol? So I'm going to refer to this one. If C was in 6, H is 2N plus 1, which is 13. Then I'm going to put the OH. So this is a molecular formula. This is a structural formula. This is displayed formula. Type. Which member is the most famous, the most commonly used one, which is ethanol? As you have an idea about biology, you can prepare ethanol by fermentation. Fermentation of what? Fermentation of glucose. In the absence of air, by the action of yeast. So we are going to discuss fermentation. I want you to open the page about alcohols in your notes. The third homologous series after alkanes and alkenes. So if we are discussing fermentation, let's discuss what is fermentation. Breaking down of glucose by the action of yeast to give ethanol and carbon dioxide. So the equation is, this is glucose, this is yeast, this is ethanol, this is carbon dioxide. I want you to draw in front of this page